Hi guys, this is Valentin from the Sewing Machine Shop. I'm making a very small video to give any advice about to protect the preserved food to prevent scratches under the preserved food of the any Serger. In this case, this is a Viking Husqvarna 910. This Huskylock style. Okay, let me put a piece of fabric here. So I explain you how you can protect more your Serger from scratches. Okay, the only thing that you need to do is cut a little piece of fabric, probably 10 centimeters or few inches, and put under the preserved food and under the preserved food as much as you can, very close with the fabric that you are sewing. It is very simple. When you finish your piece of fabric, cut off, and the protected piece of fabric you can leave under the preserved food like this. Okay. Again, a small piece of fabric to finish your project. Okay. This way, I recommend you to protect these scratches under the preserved food. Also, you can protect the feed dog to wearing too much the feed dog and make it warm. Okay. Please don't forget to like this video if you think is helpful for you, and comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a nice day. Goodbye.